Welcome to the world of exceptional craftsmanship. Today we'll take you on a fascinating journey into the meticulous process of creating high-quality scissors, an indispensable tool in everyday life. Get ready to witness every step of this incredible production process, where modern technology meets the skillful hands of artisans, transforming rolls of steel into premium products of unmatched quality.
Preview.
Everything begins with shiny, gleaming rolls of steel, the primary material fed into an advanced automatic feeding system. The steel glides smoothly through rollers with utmost precision, preparing for the next stages. These steel strips are then freely suspended, relieving any tension or stress in their structure to ensure the best possible quality for the final product. Next, the automatic punching machine takes center stage, working with laser-like precision to produce blade blanks in perfectly uniform shapes, cut to match pre-designed molds. The steel then moves into an automatic sheet cutter, where the sheets are cut uniformly. Here, skilled workers also play a vital role, performing manual punching with remarkable dexterity, ensuring each detail meets the highest level of accuracy. To optimize the use of raw materials, the blade blanks are flipped and aligned precisely, ready for the next step. These blanks are then moved along conveyor tracks, prepared for packaging and loading into the punching machine. Here, the punching machine executes each operation with precision, creating finished blade blanks. These blanks line up neatly on a conveyor belt, moving steadily toward the grinding workshop. Once there, the blanks undergo the surface grinding process. A semi-automatic water grinder polishes each side of the blade blanks. This advanced technology not only ensures smooth surfaces, but also guarantees safety, eliminating any sharp edges that could cause harm. The blade blanks are placed into blade molds to achieve their final shape. Here, every blade is crafted with unmatched precision. They are then subjected to a high-temperature cleaning process, an essential step to remove any residual oils and iron powder on the surface. After cleaning, the blanks enter the heat treatment process, where carefully controlled temperatures and pressure enhance the hardness and durability of each scissor blade. Next, the handles are crafted using an injection molding machine, ensuring a flawless fit for every user's hand. The scissor parts are then joined together using a riveting machine, securing the two halves of the scissors with sturdy rivets, guaranteeing durability and stability. And now the product is almost complete. But before it reaches your hands, each pair of scissors must pass a rigorous inspection process. They are cleaned and sterilized at high temperatures, ensuring absolute hygiene and safety. Next, every scissor undergoes thorough quality checks, from the sharpness of the blades to the sturdiness of the handles and the overall balance. If they meet the high standards, the scissors are sharpened one last time and carefully placed in final packaging. The automatic sealing machine swiftly packs the scissors, with each box neatly arranged and ready to reach you, our valued customers. We've just experienced a magical journey, from lifeless rolls of steel to flawless scissors, the result of cutting-edge technology, skilled craftsmanship, and unwavering dedication. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to stay tuned for more fascinating production videos. See you next time.